Hello, welcome to a top floor unit. We are at 551 Arguello Street. This is the exterior of the building. You walk through a secured gate. And over here to the left is the garage, laundry, and storage area. This is an immaculate building and it is very quiet. That door is the unit below. And here we are on the top floor, located walking distance to many fantastic shops and conveniences. Okay, so there's a living room, kitchen, back door, and let's start this tour off towards the back of the building. Okay, there is a nice linen closet outside the first bathroom. This is a full bath, nice medicine cabinet, pedestal sink, toilet, and shower. Walking down just a little bit is the second full bath. You have a tub and shower combined. Sink, medicine cabinet. And over here is the first bedroom. The bedrooms are all located off the street, so it is very quiet. Nice big closet. This unit does come with parking. There are laundry hookups. Good sized closet here. Second bedroom. This bedroom and the third bedroom both face the rear yard, which is a shared space. Here's the closet for this bedroom. Just outside that bedroom is a second linen closet. Okay, now for the third bedroom. This fits a king-size bed, beautiful laminate wood floors throughout this apartment, nice deep closet here. And you walk through the closet and into the second bathroom. Okay, so let's go towards the front of the building. It is separated by a door that goes to the backyard and is a rear egress. Another nice big coat closet as you walk in. And here we are, decorative fireplace. Nice big living room. This is the view out the living room. You are near Gary Street, Golden Gate Park. Here is the formal dining room. And a really nice big eat-in kitchen, gas range, dishwasher, refrigerator, hood, tons of counter and cabinet space. There's also plenty of room here for a dining table or a kitchen island. If you're interested in this unit, please go to Rentals NSF. Thanks for looking.